So it is day 3. It is Thursday, the 10th of July. We've just checked into the Disneyland Hotel. We're staying in the new DVC tower. It's quite early in the morning, so our room's not ready and we weren't expecting them to. So we have just checked in on our luggage, which will come up to our room later. We're just heading into the park. We are having a Star Wars themed day today. If you can't tell by the space buns, I am bound in today as Princess Leia. I'll show you my outfit later on. So we're heading in. We've got Ogre's Cantina booked at 12:30, and then me and Andy are going to the Star Wars night tonight. We're going to have quite a chilled start to the day, do a couple of rides, and then head out early afternoon back to the hotel once we can check in, get freshened up, and then me and Andy going back into the park today. So I'll catch up with you once we're inside the park.
Welcome, my friends. Welcome, welcome.
Good luck, boys.
Julie is flying this movie today. The pilot hit the booster. Yes, keep shooting. It will come to us. Take evasive action. Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. Remove.
So we stopped for a quick snack at Jolly Holidays, which is off Main Street. I've done mobile order really quick, literally placed the order and it was ready really fast. We're going to try cold brew for the first time. It's okay. Tastes like cold coffee. Very nice. I've also got a cinnamon roll, which is huge. I think me and Andy could have shared one. I've got a cinnamon roll.
Recruits, thank you for joining the course.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer.
No, not a prisoner. No, not up. I said down.
Your escape pods came in a little off target.
What happened? The stormtroopers went in the opposite direction. They went to the woods? Yeah. Really?
So we're back in Galaxy's Edge. Me and Liv have just met the Mandalorian and Grogu. The boys have gone on Pirates. We're just going to go on Big Thunder Mountain, and then we've got Ogres booked at lunchtime. It's really hot today. I think it's 31. It's already quite hot in the park. But yeah, having a good day so far, going quite gentle today. Still suffering a bit with the jet lag, but absolutely loving Disneyland so far.
We know you don't support the resistance, because if you do, that would mean you don't support the First Order. You, with a holoscan. Let's go. Right over here.
Consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no window.
Respond. Send us a message.
I'm the kids of the Falcon.
So we've just checked in. This is our main room for the week, which is a 1-bedroom villa with a preferred view. I'll show you the view in a minute. So coming in, and we are lucky enough to get a Tiana room. So I'll show you the wallpaper, which is gorgeous. And then as you come in, on your right hand side, you have got a big vanity area, sink, so lots of space there, and then you've got a huge big shower with a seating area, and then the old H2O toiletries, which are now Disney branded. And then you've got a separate toilet, which is always really good when you've got a big family in a room. And then coming in to the main area, we've got a big, I think they're queen size beds. Welcome home to the Herbert family. You've got a huge area here, some drawers, lots of drawer space, place to sit down, and then you've got a very small seating area just up the corner. And then you've got big queen size bed. We are very lucky that we've got a Tiana room, so we're very happy about that. And then you've got a pull down bed. I'll try and film that later to show you what that looks like. And then over here you've got a small kitchen area, so you've got a full-size fridge. It's got a small freezer in it as well. You've got a Keurig coffee machine, microwave oven, and you do actually have proper plates and cutlery in here as well. And then up here you've got a wardrobe, a bathrobe, which is always nice, extra storage. And then again here, if I can open it up, you've got a safe up here, and you've got extra sort of pillows. You've also got a washing basket because it's DVC, so the washing facilities are included. You just have to provide your detergent. And then you've got some more shelves in here as well. So let me show you the view. As I said, we've got a preferred view today. We're up on the 10th floor in the Discovery Tower. And then you can see Guardians and then Radiator Springs. And then down there, you've got the monorail pool, the main pool, and I believe there's also a pool behind the DVC Tower. So fabulous room, really, really like it. So we have had a very short morning in the park. So we went in just after early magic this morning. We checked out of the Hotel Ferrer and we moved across to the DVC Tower at the Disneyland Hotel this morning. We literally dumped our cases and went straight in the park. Spent most of the morning in Galaxy's Edge. We did Rise of the Resistance and Smugglers. Me and Libby were pilots. I've got to say we didn't do very well. We crashed more times, I think, than we actually flew. But it was really good to actually be a pilot. I think it's much better experience when you're a pilot on Smuggler's Run than when you're an engineer or technician. So really, really enjoyed that. But you also did Big Thunder, Haunted Mansion, and so they did Pirates of the Caribbean and another ride. We then came back to the hotel. Our rooms were ready. So we've got one studio for 7 nights, and then we've booked individual nights. We weren't able to get 1-bedroom villa unfortunately here, and we were unable to book like a different room for the full time we were here. So me and Andy will be moving every day, bar 2 nights where we'll be in with Lib and Ewan. On 2 nights I wasn't able to get reservation. Really love the Disneyland resort. I think the hotel, Disneyland Hotel, is my absolute favourite. The DVC Tower is stunning. I'm going to be moving rooms every day, so there'll be lots of room tours coming. We're currently in a garden room view, so it's like a separate building. And I'll show you room tour. So it's just away from the main tower, but it's really nice. It's overlooking the pool. Obviously, if noise affects you, it's probably not a good choice because it is quite noisy. and I would imagine it's going to be quite noisy till later in the evening till the pool closes, but it doesn't really worry me and Andy. We're both deep sleepers, so we'll be absolutely fine. We were going to go back in tonight to do the after hours event, but we're all exhausted and I'm also really struggling with my hip today, so we've decided to just chill out at the hotel. We're going to try the bar under the DVC tower. Tomorrow we're in DCA, so we'll try and do some sort of rides, and then we'll come out of the park later in the evening and get freshened up, and then we're going to watch the fireworks and hopefully watch the Paint the Night parade in the evening. So quite a busy day. We are taking it quite chilled, and we've got a day in the park tomorrow, and then on Saturday we're out at the park and we're planning to have a pool day. The pool here is gorgeous, so I think we're just going to chill out here. We all want to go down the monorail slides as well. I never got to do that last time, so I'll catch up with you in a bit. I'm just going to have a chill cold beer on our veranda, and I'll see you in a little while. I didn't end up vlogging in the Palm Breeze bars. It was really busy. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.